Hey folks, happy Thursday. Well, I'm out here in the shed after another excruciating long day at work. Fortunately tomorrow's Friday, well at least I hope it'll be Friday. Inventory at work, so hopefully we get it done tomorrow. If not, I'll have to go in Saturday and finish it. But cautiously optimistic that we'll get it done. So anyways, when you're musing out in the shop, nothing better than a beer. So I managed to pick up a few treasures today. Now I was at one place and they'd after telling them to be careful, they were digging out some old tree stumps and stuff, telling them to be careful to make sure they didn't hit any of the lights. They, of course, destroyed this one. So I dragged it home. Reason being is that this trim is solid brass. And I want to say it probably weighs, just that brass ring I think weighs about 2 pounds, something like that. So I rescued it from the dumpster. The trash bin history, so to speak. Plastic housing, and then this is brass. Stainless steel screws hold the trim on. Oh, there's a little bit of wire in it. A negligible amount. So an MR16 lamp. This is the incandescent version of those LED lights that I had here before. So yeah, this guy draws 35 watts, and those LED ones I think are 5 watts, something like that. So if you got a lot of those, there's definitely an energy savings in going over to the LED version. What is that? It's the right size. This one here is difficult though. That one's really in there. Why did that one have to be so hard? Maybe it's metric. Wouldn't that be funny? One metric and one standard. Let's try plat B, vice grips. There we go. Never underestimate the power of vice grips. I think I've showed these lenses before, so I'm not going to save this one. So, well, this is well, I'll be darned. This is a disappointment. Believe it or not, this is aluminum. Whereas it should be brass like this one. Brass, aluminum. $5. 5 cents. Well, that's quite bizarre. Well, now I'm disappointed. We're going all the trouble of saving that. Yeah, I guess I should have twigged there that wasn't really heavy enough, but like I say, the other ones I've come across, they'll all have brass tubes on them. Of course, I can't get that part out. Maybe I can. There we go. And this little piece is aluminum too, so. Garbage. A little tiny bit of wire. So, a little bit of aluminum, a little bit of wire, whole lot of disappointment. Just can't believe that. So the other tidbits are these hot light housings. Changing some hallway fixtures in a condo out to an LED version. These were fluorescent PL lamps. Well, this bit's aluminum. Better check though. Yeah. This is metal though. Yep. A little bit of armored cable here. That's aluminum. Yeah, this is these pushing things. Junk. Yeah, I'm not sure what the metal market's going to react next week. I know this week it's been up and down a bit, but not any huge swings. Not like the stock market is way down today, but my own personal opinion is though the stock market doesn't seem to attract the most intelligent people. They panic on a moment's notice, so. And so far the coronavirus is like 1/10 as deadly as influenza, but it's only my opinion. I'm definitely not a medical person. So, just a little tidbit of wire here. Just kind of interested in these guys now. That's a little bit of copper. So I've got my little miscellaneous copper bucket. another piece of copper. Piece of metal. These things don't come apart that badly. Interesting. So these fixtures had two fluorescent PL lamps in them. One more. And there we have it. So a little tiny bit of copper, a little bit of aluminum, a little bit of wire. So, brought home a couple, brought home 3 of them. Got a big pile of them though. Just to decide if it's worthwhile or not. Okay, I'm going to take those remaining 2 apart. I'm going to have a beer and try to recover from my disappointment on that not being brass. So I hope everybody has a great Friday tomorrow, and I'll hopefully see you all soon. Bye for now.